Hello friends, today we are discussing on the topic is difference between abstract class and interface. So let's start. What is interface? Let's discuss on that. The interface is a blueprint that can be used to implement a class. The interface does not contain any concrete methods. Methods that have code. All the methods of an interface are abstract methods. An interface cannot be initialized. However, classes that implement interfaces can be instantiated. Interfaces never contain instances variables, but they can contain public, static, final variables. For example, constant class variables. So, we are discussing on the next topic is what is the abstract class. So, a class which can the abstract keyword is the declaration is called abstract class. Abstract classes should have at least one abstract method. For example, methods without a body. It can have multiple concrete methods. Abstract classes allow you to concrete blueprints for concrete classes. But the inheriting classes should implement the abstract methods. Abstract classes cannot be initialized, instantiates. Important reasons for the using interfaces. First point is interfaces are used to achieve abstraction. Yes. Second one is designed to support dynamic method resolution at the runtime. Next one is that helps you to achieve loose coupling. You know loose coupling. We want. And the next one is allow you to separate the definition of methods from the inheritance hierarchical. The important reason for using abstract class. So the point is abstract classes after default functionally for the subclasses. So next one it provides a template for future specific classes. Next point is helps you to define a common interfaces its subclasses. So next point in the using interface is abstract class allows code reusability. So we are discussing on the comparison of interfaces and the abstract class. An abstract class permits you to make a functionality that subclasses can implement or override, whereas an interfaces only permits you to stake functionality but not to implement. It is a class and extend only one abstract class, while a class can implement multiple interfaces. So we are discussing on the both interfaces and the abstract classes parameter. So we got a first parameters speed. In speed, interfaces are slow and the abstract class is fast. So next parameter is multiple inheritances. In interface implement several interfaces and in abstract class only one abstract classes. The next one is structure. You know parameters like structure. In interfaces abstract methods and abstract classes abstract and concrete methods are there. Let's when to use. For interfaces, future enhancements and the abstract classes to avoid independence. So let's discuss on the inheritance and implementation. So inheritance and implementation in interfaces are a class can implement multiple interfaces, and the abstract class. So the class can inherit only one abstract class. Thank you.